Hey guys, here we are once again. This time I've got a 2006 vrod Destroyer, owned by Jeff Petrie. Jeff brought me the bike last year in concerns of redoing the motor, which we always do every couple of years on these to keep them so they don't go kabang in the long run. But anyway, we got into this one, got it all apart, made up a big parts list for it. And then the CMDRA, because of this COVID shit, had canceled all the races for the season, so the bike got put aside. So now that there's up and racing and we're squeezing in some times, Jeff said, any chance of getting that bike ready? So even with my even with my busy schedule, racing comes first around here at Whole Shot, and I try to do the best I can for the guys that I sponsor, and Jeff is one of them. So anyway, this one here basically got a complete going over from polishing the crank and new bearings in the bottom end, new pistons, etc., etc., etc. We've gone right through this thing. So I had a little bit of an issue this morning trying to start the bike up. Had lots of fuel, compression, wouldn't fire, and Jeff had unplugged a little thing underneath the seat. But anyway, as soon as I plugged that in, the bike fired right up. So I did its first heat cycle with it. So this is going to be the second heat cycle, which is going to be around 4,000 RPM until I come up to temperature off the thermostat. So as soon as that does, then I'm going to shut her down. So keep your ears tuned and maybe plugged because she's loud. Okay, you guys, thanks.